How to see insights of social media channels on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Instagram application on your phone. You will then be brought to the home page. Now, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. Note that this feature requires a professional account. Here, tap on a post to check its performance. On this page, tap on View Insights below the image. You can now view the post insights for this post. At the top, you'll see the Overview section, showing views, interactions. You can also review profile activity, such as follows and profile visits. Following these steps, you can easily see insights of social media channels on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.